On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'll be giving a presentation from our virtual set. And in this presentation, there'll be 2 camera angles, but we're not using a virtual studio system. We're using a video switcher, and you'll be able to too after watching this video. As you can see, there are 2 shots of me and 2 backgrounds. And for this, first you will need a switcher that has 2 chroma keyers, and we are using the HS3200 from datavideo. To set it up as we have here, press Menu, go to Keyer Settings. First go to Keyer and select Key 1. Then set the keyer control to Chroma and Self. Your key source will be your first camera input. Here it is, Input 1, and your fill will be black. Then go back up to Keyer and select Key 2. Use the same settings as Keyer 1, but set your key source to your second camera, which for us is Input 2. In the Chroma submenu, use CK Auto as an automatic keyer, and you can adjust each key based on your lighting situation. Then you're done. Press Menu to exit. On your control panel, under Keyer Controls, enable Key 1 Preview and Key 2 Program. On the preset bus, press the input for the background of your first camera, which is Input 3 here. On the program bus, press the background for the second camera, which for us is Input 4. Now you can transition using cuts, dissolves, or wipes between your 2 virtual set angles. For a full list of the datavideo switchers that can simulate a virtual set production, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like it and share it with all of your friends. And don't forget, subscribe and come back next week for the next Tech Tip Tuesday. Camera 1 is a wide shot. Camera 2 is the close-up. Camera 1, Camera 2, Camera 1, Camera 2.